Good morning. Up on the roof, getting ready to try this out for the first time. The Skydio 2 from 2020 or 2019. I'll put it on the screen somewhere. But totally autonomous drone. I'm gonna fly it with my iPhone first time. And this is much different. If you're accustomed to DJI drones, this is nothing like DJI. Has all these cameras on the top. There's 3 on the top, and there's 3 here on the bottom. So it's a totally autonomous drone. It's mainly used for tracking. Now you can fly like a traditional drone if you buy the remote, but with the beacon, it's more like tracking you for like running, being on a bike, being in a car, do a lot of obstacles and whatnot. So, but you can fly manually, which I'm gonna do today. So it does have 4K, 60, 48, 30, and 24. And in 1080p, you can go all the way up to either 100 or 120. I'll put it somewhere on the screen. But let's see how this works. So using this for the first time, definitely using it with a phone. It's okay, it'll take you out, you can get some shots. Also gonna depend on how much interference. I'm sure being here in the city up on the roof, there's a lot of interference, so this is probably not gonna be the best situation for this drone, but I was able to take it out maybe 200 feet before it lost connection. And then on your internals on the inside, make sure you set your parameters where you want them. I'm definitely gonna have to go somewhere, maybe today, take it out to a more secluded area and then try out the autonomous features to see how those work. But overall, not bad, just a quick flight. It took like 30% of the battery. When I look at the app, let me see. Yeah, I'm at 69%, so 31% of the battery flying it just that quickly, moving it around. So, but every time you get ready to do something with this, it's gonna say calibrating. But hey, I got no complaints. It flew great, it just didn't get much distance. Other than that, no complaints.